We are here at the Alarm.com booth here at ISC, and we're upstairs on the second floor where they have all of their devices. I wanted to share with you a couple things because this really help see the ecosystem you can build inside a customer's home. First off, the middle section here you can see our cameras. There's a lot of really great camera choices, whether you want to do an indoor-outdoor bullet camera, meant mainly for commercial, but still works in a great residential situation. This dome camera, which has a wider field of view. A turret camera, which allows you to tilt and zoom. This is meant more for commercial, but again, a large camera here. These are video recorders. So this is the first generation, and this is the second generation. This will actually allow you to stream your cameras to this individual device, and it will save it on the hard drive. So you can literally go back in time and look at, yesterday's footage, the day before's footage, things like that. Depending on the size you have, you'll be able to record that and be able to review it at any point. The new Alarm.com image sensor, this is the latest version of their image sensor. This is a motion sensor with a built-in still camera. This new version actually has a higher resolution camera and a different form factor to make it better, more aesthetically pleasing on the wall, and the pictures are actually taken a lot faster and sent to your panel or your device faster. Doorbell cameras, the Skybell, you've got two choices. You've got the round one with the full HD, or the slimmer one, which works in slimmer applications. This one has black and white night vision and is only 720p. So this one's a little bit superior, but not always applicable in every situation. So it's good to have both options. The outdoor camera, great for those who want night vision. Also great for being able to stream that onto the panel. Remember, we talked about the IQ panel has the ability to stream live video onto its screen. This outdoor camera is one of the ones that can do that currently with the current 2.1 software. The indoor camera, this one as well is another one that you can stream onto the panel screen. Nice to be able to peek on kids, see what's happening inside the house, things like that. This is a brand new camera, really exciting, probably the most exciting camera that I've seen. This is a camera that is meant to be aesthetically pleasing inside a home, great for a living room, things like that. Has a great 180-degree field of view, but it is meant almost like an indoor doorbell camera. Imagine that you've got kids who want to talk to mommy. They press the call button right here on the panel, on the camera, and that then initiates a call on your phone, the same as the doorbell camera. And you could say, hey mom, how's it going? What's going on? Maybe you want to call your spouse and remind her to pick up turnips at the grocery store, or whatever it is that you're purchasing. You've got volume up and down, as well as a phone and a hang up button. So great resolution and a really great look. I really like the gray, the fabric. Going to make a really fantastic addition to the Alarm.com camera repertoire, and this camera is going to be available, as I understand, next month. Over here you've got a variety of door locks and access. So you've got the LiftMaster garage door openers, or the linear Z-Wave garage door opener. On the IQ panel, this is great through Wi-Fi, but you can't actually interact with anything on the screen, whereas the linear one actually is a Z-Wave garage door opener, so if you wanted to open and close the garage from the screen, you could do that. So depending on which your application is, one is better than the other for you. We've got a variety of locks. This Next Touch lever by Yale is a great lock for commercial. If you're doing residential, which many of you are, you've got the Kwikset, the Schlage, or the Yale locks, and of course each of these have a variety of different locks within them. Over here we've got a variety of energy and automation devices. So new for this year is sprinkler integration. You've got Rainbird or Rachio. Integrate your sprinkler system in with your Alarm.com app. Sonos speaker or Legrand. So you've got audio, the ability to play music through your Alarm.com system. And then of course a lot of in-wall dimmers, switches, things like that to make it Z-Wave easy for you. The Alarm.com smart thermostat. And it's always nice to see Qolsys products. We got the Qolsys IQ outlet and IQ dimmer. And then a variety of light bulbs to be able to interact with lights. For the light bulbs, I personally like to put light bulbs on exterior lights. For a light switch, I prefer to have an actual Z-Wave switch on there. With a light bulb, I like to put them at light switches that I don't normally turn on and off. For example, I'll take a light bulb and put it in a utility room and say, when door opened, turn on light. And of course you would need a door sensor on that door to initiate that. But create an Alarm.com rule that says when door open, turn on light. When door closed, turn light off again. I like to put them on exterior coach lights or porch lights so that at any time, if I want to be able to have that light turn on when it turns dusk, it'll do it automatically. I don't have to do it myself. There's also the ability to take these lights and put them in closets. or other places where you're not going to readily turn a switch on. But if you're going to use a switch, I would recommend a Z-Wave switch over perhaps a light bulb, because inevitably someone's going to get up and want to switch the light on, and because it's a Z-Wave switch, they'd have to go to their phone instead. So there's some drawbacks on those. You should be consulting with your customers to decide what solution is best for them and give them the solution. I don't know if you can see the rest of the Alarm.com booth. It looks really great. They did a fantastic job turning this into a home. They're showing the home solutions over here on the side, and then over to the right, they've got their business solutions. No matter what you're choosing, Alarm.com is great. And of course, the IQ panel works perfectly with Alarm.com, works hand in hand with our integration teams, making sure that the software and the hardware work great together, and that the whole solution is something that you're looking for your home or business. Thanks again for watching. We're excited to sign off here from ISC West 2018. Hope you enjoy the show, and we'll see you next year.